$1 million to try to stop youth homelessness, and that money is just starting to come in.
KXAN's Alyssa Gord shows us what local organizations are doing with it.
20-year-old Lyric Wardlow helped present the plan for ending youth homelessness in Austin. She spent much of her childhood without a home.
I ended up dropping out of high school just because I was so far behind.
With no home address, some high schools wouldn't even let her enroll. She's now living on her own, but went through a lot of anxiety to get there.
I mean, if you want to have a healthy life for youth, you have to take away some of the stressors that they have to go through every day.
Which is why the new program will identify which youth are most at risk. Now there's funding to fast-track the process of getting safe housing.
Most importantly, the community just needs to understand the issue that is largely invisible in the community.
Susan McDowell with LifeWorks believes helping young people get housing can help break the cycle.
And that's what I'm so afraid of happening to me, because it sucks to see other people now being my age, coming through it at this age and being 60 and still stuck.
21-year-old CJ Messerol thinks this program could be a path out of homelessness.
The rapid rehousing and the initiative with LifeWorks, I think that's going to be really cool, especially because I can get my life started already and not experience homelessness for as long.
And there's definitely a lot more steps to go, but I think that the fact that we're starting this and trying to, take that first step is gigantic.
Alyssa Gord, KXAN News.
The young people we talked to who experienced homelessness said that they hope that the funding also goes toward helping with little things like backpacks, phone chargers, and filing paperwork. LifeWorks says that the funding lets them have more caseworkers to help getting the small things, which can make a big difference to homeless youth. LifeWorks says that one young person since this program started with the new funding that they got last month. Last year, they housed 37 young people and their children through the HUD program. That was without any funding from HUD. By Thanksgiving, they're hoping to have housed 6 young people with HUD money. And the next year, they're hoping that number goes up to 90. LifeWorks says that they're looking to build more housing apartments to keep helping more young homeless people.
Today, Austin's Resource Center for the Homeless, or the ARCH, is starting a new program to get more people to help. The ARCH says more than 70% of the people you see outside of their facility never come inside to get resources. The goal is to ask people if they want to come inside for services or connect them to other tools that can help. Groups like Austin Public Health and Community Court have booths, but they can help do paperwork and point people in the right direction.
We looked at different strategies, and one of the first things we wanted to do was, again, start the conversation with them to find out what their needs are so that we could tailor our services to best meet those.
In an effort last year, Austin police worked to decrease the number of people hanging out outside of the ARCH downtown who were not getting resources. But the ARCH says even so, over the course of the last few years, there's been an increase in the number of people outside.